Good morning. I will be here today, so we will have Zoom. But make sure that you understand that today's assignment is to work on these density columns. So yesterday you should have worked on the slice and dice density. I understand there are some issues, so you can get ahead of that today. But this is the last of the new/review information before the um, exam on Friday. It's not really called exam, we call them check-ins. Okay, so make sure you watch the announcements, and then there is a great video I made about the density column, and you are going to create your column any way that you want. I'll talk about that today in Zoom. Make sure that you're taking care of all of these things because they're starting to come due. It's been 2 weeks for some of them, but don't forget the big one is this weekend. The Einstein is done. Hey, this column right here is actually very interesting. That means that the highest density liquid is at the bottom. So this is the highest density liquid. Hey, this is the second highest density liquid. So if we put numbers to them, it could go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, see this red ball is more dense than these materials, but less dense than this material. That's why it floats. And notice how deep it floats. If it sinks a pretty good amount into it, it's close to the density of this. If it's floating really high on it, it would be very much above the density of that. So you got to think about that. There's a screw down here or bolt. You can see it. Its density is greater than all of these because it went through them. So you got to think about and compare the densities of the materials based upon where they settle out. That's what we're working on today. Thanks for your patience yesterday when I had issues with my eye. Hopefully they're getting closer to be working out. We'll see how it goes. Have a great